Alright guys, we're going to try out something new. So if you look at the top of your screen on your toolbar, you'll see something called Odyssey. It looks like this right here. So you click Odyssey, and then you type in your regular username and password. So I'm going to pretend to be Linda for our class. You don't do Linda's, you do yours. Just your regular login information. And once you get there, you make sure that your thing is on the light bulb where it says learn. And then there's some work for you to do. So you press this arrow and you press the blue box. And then you try to answer the questions. So this says work on questions, so I press the blue box. And it says which, I can click this to hear it.
Which picture shows 80?
So I have to find which one shows 80. Well that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's not 80, that's 18. Let's try this one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Oh, that one's 80, so I'll click the circle next to it. And then I go to next question right here. Then this one says,
which picture shows 60?
okay, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Nope, that's not 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, that's not 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, there's 60. And I go to next question.
Which picture shows 2 tens?
2 tens. There's 2 tens. And I go to next question. And then I'm going to finish the rest for you. I'm not going to... And then I click submit answer. And when I'm all done, it says, would you like to turn in the assignment? And you can press the green box that says yes, please. And it'll tell you how many you got correct. And I got 100% correct. Yay! And then I can click assignments again. And it says, you're all done with your assignments. And so then I'd be all done. Great job. That's it, guys.